Range Rover recently revealed the 2026 Range Rover Sport SV Black Edition, a sleek addition to its high-performance lineup. Announced in July 2025, alongside the Defender Octablack and Range Rover SV Black, this special edition takes the already impressive Sport SV and cloaks it in an all-black aesthetic, offering a refined yet bold look for buyers who prefer understated luxury. Available for order with deliveries starting in early 2026, it's priced from £154,975 OTR in the UK, with US pricing expected to start above $150,000. The Black Edition caters to those who love the Sport SV's power and versatility, but want a distinct monochromatic style. Under the hood, the Black Edition retains the Sport SV's robust powertrain, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 mild hybrid engine sourced from BMW, delivering 626 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, or 635 PS and 750 Nm in Europe. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive, it hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and tops out at 180 miles per hour. The 6D Dynamics air suspension with active roll control ensures sharp handling whether navigating tight corners or cruising highways. Off-road, it's a true Range Rover, capable of wading through 35 inches of water and towing up to 3,500 pounds, with Terrain Response 2 adapting to any surface. Fuel efficiency is modest, likely around 16 mpg city and 22 mpg highway, based on the 2025 model. The exterior of the Sport SV Black Edition is defined by its Narvik black paint, a deep glossy shade that covers the entire body. The full Narvik Gloss exterior pack extends to the carbon fiber hood, 23-inch forged alloy wheels, brake calipers, quad exhaust tips, and SV badges, creating a cohesive dark look. Unlike flashy editions, there's no chrome or contrasting accents, just pure black, emphasizing the SUV's athletic lines from its sloped roof to its sculpted sides. Illuminated SV black tread plates add a subtle touch of elegance when you step inside, while the lightweight design, trimmed by over 167 pounds with aluminum and composites, keeps it agile.
The interior is as refined as the exterior is bold. Ebony Windsor leather covers the performance seats, which include body and soul technology, haptic motors that vibrate in sync with the 29-speaker Meridian audio system for an immersive sound experience. Gloss Grand Black trim lines the dashboard, console, and doors, maintaining the dark theme. The PV Pro infotainment system, displayed on a curved touchscreen, is user-friendly and responsive. Rear passengers can opt for executive-class seating, and a unique sensory floor vibrates to enhance the audio, making long drives more engaging. A panoramic sunroof adds light to the cabin when desired. The Sport SV Black Edition stands out in Range Rover's lineup by offering a tailored option for buyers who favor a sleek all-black look over the carbon fiber focus of the SV Carbon Edition. It taps into a growing trend for dark-themed luxury vehicles, appealing to those who personalize their SUVs for a sophisticated edge. While production is limited to maintain exclusivity, the Black Edition is a permanent addition to the SV range, unlike one-off specials. For those seeking a blend of performance, luxury, and off-road capability, the 2026 Range Rover Sport SV Black Edition delivers. It's a vehicle that doesn't shout for attention, but commands it through its clean design and commanding presence.